Is it over? Is the trend changing? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Monday, September the 20th. And obviously, it's an ugly picture. From between last week, actually, the last couple weeks have been a little bit weaker. But Friday's big sell-off with a follow-through this morning. We could be seeing that trend change, and we'll get into it as soon as you tell that this is sponsored by one of our brokerage partners, and of course we have many brokers, but one of our partners for futures and commodities, Capital Trading Group, or CTG. They are the only ones we have authorized for letter of direction trading. They've got great customer service. They have terrific managed futures products, and they trade all my accounts. So we do have other brokers, and I have many brokers, but of course I prefer to use the CTG group. And of course, you want some information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, as we look at the markets, and these could be drastically different when you get this, but Dow is down 570. The NASDAQ is down 300. We are short the Dow, by the way. Excuse me. Long the NASDAQ, down 300. Long the S&P, down 75. And long the Russell, down 570. So it is an ugly day so far. And, we'll see where it goes from here. But I'm sure that we'll be changing directions most likely tomorrow. In the metals market, suddenly, as they were sitting and vacillating on both sides of unchanged, gold has just recently taken off. It is now up about $14, so we're still short. Silver's up under a dime. It was lower. Again, they were both vacillating, but they're both higher at the moment. So are we seeing some fear? Who knows? In the meantime, we are short both and would be short platinum as well, which is lower and well below the flash crash low. But at the end of the day, again, we don't look at it from that perspective. Okay, it's strictly what is the trend. Okay, crude is down about $1.50, and it's been all over the map. We are still long. So again, a pretty ugly kind of day. Copper, we reversed to the short side, and we are short, and it's down pretty good. Nat gas is slightly lower, but still but about $5, and which is pretty high for this time of year. Bitcoin is getting crippled, but that's not unexpected. Remember, the crypto space itself is just it's the wild west of trading. We are still long at the moment. Bonds are up $1, a full point, and of course we are long. Notes are up, and we are long. As we look at the grain markets, grains are getting hammered, and we are short them all across the board. Wheat down 11, wheat down 12, beans down 18, corn down 8. In the protein complex, feeders are fat. We'll call them flat. They're down slightly, but not that we're short. Hogs are down, we're short, and fat cattle is down, and we're short. Now we're going to call them basically flat, though. I mean, they're not down anything dramatic. And as I said, any of these prices could certainly change by the time you get this update. These, obviously the delay of processing the video. In the meantime, in the softs department, we're long them all, and they're all down, right down the board. Cotton, coffee, sugar, cocoa, and OJ. So it's an ugly day. And Mama said there's going to be days like this, and this is one of them. It's ugly. Okay, but we'll see where the day ends, and we'll see how it ends up. And if this is indeed going to be the trend, then we're going to love it. Okay, but right now we don't know. And that is always the case when you're trading. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, but we know if we get a solid trend in either direction, it is going to be huge and well in our favor. Okay? In the meantime, don't forget about our other brokerage partner, which is TradeHere Brokerage. And listen, TradeHere is phenomenal. First of all, it's $10 a month. On its own, that's phenomenal. Okay? But then if you take into consideration, that we have their API, which allows us to automate your portfolio models that we trade, if you want, at no cost. Okay? And you don't have to. Stay wherever you want. We are just giving you a place you can save a hell of a lot of money, okay, which is TradeHere. So you want to check them out, go to try.tradehere.com/Bubba. That's try.tradehere.com/Bubba. And of course, our metals partner, and maybe you'll be looking for some metals today, but we have a physical partner now that does storage and of course delivers. And you want to check them out. It's Strategic Wealth Preservation, and their website is swpcayman.com/Bubba-trading. That is Sierra Whiskey Papa Charlie Alpha Yankee Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, Family Farms. What a great partner for farmers who don't want to deal with the grunt work of inside work, the office work. Family Farms does a great job at helping you facilitate, and you want to check them out. Go to familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, our commodity report with the quarterlies coming out. There is no finer report that there is. And again, I tell you this because it's the truth, not because I have any other interest. It is strictly the truth that the commodity report is phenomenal, written by Andy Heck, 40 years in the business. Go to BubbaTrading.com, call Technomental, and check it out. And the high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba-trading. And of course, it is Monday Night Football. We had a pretty good day yesterday. But tonight, we're going with the Green Bay Packers for maybe 2 pizzas. Just a little bit more, but not a great play. We don't really typically like to lay 11 or 12 points in a game, but we will be with the Green Bay Packers. And to all of you, have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here again tomorrow. And it looks like business is starting to come back, but it is not quite back as of yet. We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a great day.